Guys, it's raining outside. That makes me happy.
Yay!
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. Today we're going thrift shopping and we are at Uptowncheapskate. They're having Dollar Day today, which I guess they're marking items for $1, and you go with your own reusable bags and you fill it up as much as possible when you purchase it. So I'm super excited. It's too early. I'm kind of tired, but let's hope we find some really good stuff here. Last time I didn't find some good stuff, but I guess that's just because I wasn't willing to pay the price. Uptowncheapskate, for those of you who don't know, it's a thrift store that you go and you sell your clothes to, like almost like Plato's Closet. You basically can't have worn it like a lot, like to where there's like wear and tear on the item, and you can also sell your brand new purchases as well with the tag still. They're very picky on what they buy. I was supposed to be recording in the store, but what happened was because of COVID-19, they kind of only let a certain amount of people in the store. I think it was like 15. It was somewhat less dramatic than Black Friday, but it was still pretty dramatic. Like everyone was kind of like pushing and rushing. It kind of gave me anxiety, so I put my phone away until I had to pay. But I apologize about the lack of content of what was in the store, but I will show you what I was able to get and the prices as well. Okay, when I say that this is going to be a no for me, I mean like, this is going to be a hard pass. Because like, I don't know what makes it weird. It's not working for me. And like, I didn't realize this. This is going to be a weird position, I know. But they're actually shorts. It's a romper. And I don't, like, there are no words. It's not me. I'm not feeling it. It's not giving me good vibes. It just feels gross and ugly, and I'm not about it. Even if I did take it in a little bit to be more form-fitting, it ain't it. And I can't. I tried it on. I tried to love it. It just didn't work out for me. I can actually tell you this was never worn because the original tag is on it. It's from Kohl's. It's the Disney Beauty and the Beast collection because the tag's still on there. It's a large, so maybe if I had a medium, it would work out. About $48. When it got to Uptown, they were trying to sell it for $14.99. When it got into my hands, I bought it for $2. So your girl might just list this on Poshmark and call it a day because she's not about this. She's not feeling this. I am not feeling this. Next outfit. Okay, yellow. Now, before anyone asks, no, I didn't put this top on because it's yellow. I was wearing this already today. So I figured since most of my clothes that I got today wore shorts and bottoms, I'd keep the same shirt on because I honestly just don't feel like wasting more clothes. But honestly, with this skirt, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not feeling it. And here's the reason why. I think it's because it's low on my waist. So I think if I brought it up higher on my actual natural waistline, it'd look a lot better. I'd look cuter. But honestly, that requires some editing, alterations. I don't feel like doing that, to be honest. Not with this haul. So I think I'm gonna cut my losses and go ahead and throw it up on Poshmark. The information for this is it's not new. There's no additional tags, but it is Ann Taylor. And when it got to Uptown, they were trying to sell it for $6.99. When it got into my hands, I paid a total of $3 for it. So, yeah. Next. Okay, when I say that I was rooting for this one, guys, I really was. And I kind of still am. I'm a little sad because it doesn't fit me. It's about 2-3 inches too big for me. And I know it just said that I wasn't going to alter any of them, but I'm gonna do it with this one because, like, look. This would be the cutest. It hits right at my belly button, so I love it, of course. It has a nice pattern. I don't have any pants that have these patterns. It's the cutest thing ever. It is Banana Republic. When I found it at the store, the original tag that Uptown was listing it for was $15.99. When I got my hands on it, I only paid a total of $2, so I'm super excited. That's a total steal. I'm keeping it. We love it. We stan it. When I do take it in, though, I do have to take it in from the back because I don't want to mess up the small pockets that I already have, and I want my booty to look good. There's nothing wrong with that. I can't. Okay, I'm keeping it 10 out of 10. We can finally throw 1 on the board for Richay, and that gives Poshmark 2 points. Sad day. Hopefully we'll have a little bit more for Richay, but let's get on to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with this one. I had no idea I picked this one up. In fact, like when I picked it up right now to put it on, I was like, what is this? Like, no, there's no tag on this, so I don't know what brand this is. All I know is that it does say it was supposed to be part of a 3-piece. So that's interesting. And it was listed at $8.99 and I paid $1 for it. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't have to do any changes to this. I think it's cute. I'm going to keep it. In fact, I might wear it this week to work. Yeah, it's light and airy and I can do whatever I wanted in it because it's not heavy. The material was a little weird at first, but I think that's just because it was thin. But I like it overall. Like, it also gives me room for my pancita because when your girl goes to work and her bosses always buy her lunch, they take her to a place, there's a lot of food. Don't get me wrong, I love food, but your girl, she always comes back with pancita, and that's a problem. Then I don't like that. I don't like being able to see it. So this conveniently covers it up, and actually this top is really cute with it. So I'd wear it. 10 out of 10, another one on the board for Richay. Next. I would just like to give a massive shout out to me for going in and not finding anything and thinking I should just leave, but choosing to stay regardless of my anxiety and pulling just anything off the shelf that I was like, all right, this isn't my size, it has a tag, we're gonna deal with it. Because look at these. Look at these. I love them. They are also like the yellow skirt, they're Loft. I don't know why it's marked under Ann Taylor. Maybe they're the same company. I don't know. But your girl saw these and she was like, But I used to have a pair of black cargos. I love cargos. Yes, cargos. I love cargos. I have always loved cargos. I used to have a black one that was kind of like this. It had better pockets on the side, of course. And I wore them to work whenever I did all of my production work, and I love them. And I love this. It is too big on the waist, but that's a edit I can fix. I'm willing to work with it. I can take it in on the side conveniently on both sides, and it does hit my low waistline, which is kind of sad, but I will figure it out. I have no problem with that. It's like skinny on the bottom. They're khaki, so they go with anything. They were marked for $12.99 at Uptowncheapskate, and when your girl got them, she only paid $2 for them. Yes, we're keeping them. Another one on the board for Richay. Yes, check. I did not think I'd have this many out of this group. On to the next. Okay. Your girl wasn't sure about the white, but now that I have them on and they go high-waisted, yes, I love them. And let's see. There's no brand on this. And I think that's because they're from China, because when I looked at the tag to see what size this was, it's a 2XL and I am not a 2XL. So I'm thinking they're from China. This is surprisingly good quality though. I know a lot of Chinese products have good quality. I think I might extend the pockets eventually, but for now my phone will just have to go straight down in my pocket. They priced it at $10.99 and your girl paid $2 for them. Maybe I will take it in a little bit. Probably from the back because it has a zipper. Because, look, I don't know if I'm about that. I think it'd be cuter like this. I was looking out for my pancita. You know, but I might take it in about an inch. on each side. Cause yeah, it's kind of loose, but I love the texture, and it does go well with this top as well. So another one for Richay. Next. All right, so here's the next piece. It's thin, like it's really thin. It's comfortable, don't get me wrong. Maybe I'll put some darts if I keep it, to prevent it from doing that weird thing. But it's nice. Here's the back. The brand is Brat Star, which I've never heard of, and they've listed it for $7.99, and I paid $1 for it. I like the length. It goes to my knees, which is weird because normally I like things that are a lot shorter. But I like the length. I like. Can y'all see that? Like, I still got my pants like that, but it's okay. I feel like this is something I could wear my corsets with and be cute. Maybe go out. It's comfortable. I think I might keep it, to be honest. I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna put that in the side of Richay. Check. Wait. Ding. Okay, cool. You know, I have all these sound effects, and I continue to make my own. We're not gonna go into that. So we're gonna do this last item real quick. Next. Okay, so this is the last piece. Does it remind me of my mother's bed sheets when I was little? Yeah. Does it feel as soft as her bed sheets when I was little? Yeah. TikTok reference, if you don't know. I tried. Anyways, I do like it. It feels soft. It's got pockets. I think I look dainty and cute. It's got a tie on the back and a cute tie on the front, because your girl got boobies. Problem though, these arms, it's a weird thing. I might have to take that in, because it looks weird. I'm gonna be honest. And you know, I put this on, I was like, man, this is a struggle to get on. There's a freaking zipper on the side. How did I not notice that? Anyways, this is Abercrombie and Finch. I hope I said that right. And they listed it for $12.99, and your girl paid $2 for it. Honestly, I got this and I was like, shoot, I'm gonna toss it in that resale pile. But I like it. I like it a lot. I look cute and girly. And imagine if I had a pearl necklace with this. Maybe like a tiny dainty pearl bracelet and some, oh my god, it'd be so cute. I really would. Like, that's the goal lately. I want to look dainty. I don't want to look so intimidating. Okay, so our last item is actually these, they're shorts, but it's like a skirt in the front. And I got it because it reminds me of tech wear. Unfortunately, this is blue, and most tech wear that I see is black or like hot pink and stuff like that. And this is like I'm assuming that this was some kind of school outfit thing. I got it because it reminds me of tech wear, of course. I'm going to dye this black. And hopefully that'll get rid of like these weird discoloring stains. And I'm also gonna get rid of these because it just, no, I'll replace it with something else. But yeah, you know, I said that I wasn't gonna do alterations, but I'm pretty sure what I meant was for the right outfit, for the right piece of garment, I might do a little sewing. But yeah, I'm gonna shorten this. I'm definitely gonna shorten this. I would prefer it a lot shorter. Even if my ass hangs out, we'll do something like that. Maybe higher. Because I like the overall idea of this. Yeah. We'll shorten it to about right there. That's another weird pose for you guys. Please don't screenshot this, that would be awkward. But it fits pretty well. There's only a little bit of room on the side, but I mean, not too much I'm worried about on that. But yeah, I actually really liked this. The only pockets in this thing are these two. It was a weird brand. It was like 2T or something, I can't see. But they listed it in their store at $6.99 and your girl paid $3 for it. So yeah, we're gonna put this on the win board. Another one for Richay. And yeah. Okay. So that gives us a total of 7 in Richay's corner and only 2 in Poshmark. So I think this was a good thrift haul, a great thrift haul if you don't mind me saying. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed now. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, tell me what you want to see in the next video. Stick around if you want. Watch some other videos if you want. But don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. They're all at Okayrichay, including TikTok, which I'm newer at TikTok, so don't judge me. I'm trying. I really am. Don't be too mean. I'm fragile, okay? Bear with me. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.